Talk to me about the infusion.
So when we learned about Olivelle oils, that was our big question. It was like, whoa, 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 we have to make sure that these are the real deal. And they're all, I think 0.5% acidity or less, I think. So they are all truly extra virgin olive oils. Like you said, a lot of corruption in the industry. And sometimes what you're buying in the store that's labeled extra virgin olive oil has only even a small percentage of olive oil. Yeah, olive oil. So we're real excited about our Olivelle infused oils. They will change any recipe, take it up to the next level. Just like with the coffee cake that we made, David used the extra virgin, just the regular olive oil that we always use. Delicious, that cake is delicious, but I took it up a notch by using the blood orange infused olive oil. And all of the Olivelle olive oils are completely vegan. So what they use to infuse the oils with are natural ingredients that will infuse the oil with that flavor. So like even the sweet cream butter oil that we have, it's not a stick of butter in there infusing that oil, or even the bacon infused. They isolate out the flavors of that product, and then they use those to infuse. So we love the infused olive oils, and the caramelized garlic is one of my favorites. The blood orange I keep on hand all the time. It's delicious in the muffin recipe with blueberries or pumpkin added, and those cranberries. So really, really, really delicious.
Awesome.